Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Levent, I love your shirt. Is it new?
Yes, I bought it yesterday. How much do you think it costs?
$20?
Close, $25. And today we're learning about shopping and prices.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent. Today is all about shopping
You will learn how to ask prices.
and how to buy things in English.
But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so, Jennifer, are you ready?
Let's go shopping in English.
Let's start. Word number 1 is price.
The price is how much money something costs.
Repeat, price.
Price.
What's the price?
What's the price of this shirt? Word number 2 is cost.
Cost is a verb. It means the amount of money you pay.
Repeat. Cost. Cost.
Cost. This shirt costs $25. Word number 3 is expensive.
Expensive means it costs a lot of money, not cheap.
Repeat, expensive.
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 This watch is very expensive. It costs $500. Word number 4 is cheap.
Cheap means it doesn't cost much money, a good price.
Repeat. Cheap.
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 This t-shirt is cheap, only $5. Word number 5 is buy.
Buy means to get something with money.
Repeat, buy.
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 I want to buy this dress. Word number 6 is sell.
Sell means to give something for money, the opposite of buy.
Repeat after me. Sell.
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 This store sells shoes and clothes.
Word number 7 is on sale.
On sale means the price is reduced, cheaper than normal.
Repeat after me. On sale.
On sale.
On sale.
On sale.
Great. This jacket is on sale. It was $100. Now it's $50. Word number 8 is discount.
A discount is a reduction in price, like 20% off, 30% off.
Repeat after me. Discount.
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 There's a 50% discount today.
Those are some great vocabulary words.
Now let's learn how to ask about prices.
Question 1. How much is it?
This is the most common question for asking price.
Repeat after me. How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is it?
For example, how much is this shirt?
How much is that book?
Question 2. How much does it cost?
Another way to ask the price.
Repeat after me. How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
How much does this jacket cost?
Question 3. What's the price?
A more direct way to ask.
Repeat after me. What's the price?
What's the price?
What's the price?
What's the price of this phone? Question 4. For multiple items, use how much are these or how much are those?
These for things close to you.
Those for things far from you. Examples. How much are these shoes? How much are those jeans? Repeat after me. How much are these?
How much are these?
How much are those?
How much are those?
Great job!
Now let's learn how to answer price questions.
Answer pattern 1. It's blank dollars, or euros, pounds, etc.
Examples: it's $20. It's 15 euros. It's 30 pounds.
Repeat after me. It's blank dollars.
It's blank dollars.
It's blank dollars.
Answer pattern 2. It costs amount.
Examples. It costs $25. It costs 50 euros. It costs 30 pounds.
Repeat after me. It costs.
It costs.
It costs.
Answer pattern 3. For multiple items, use their. Examples. These shoes, they're $60. Those jeans, they're 40 euros. Those socks, they're 15 pounds. Repeat after me. There.
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 There. Here are some useful expressions.
That's too expensive. The price is very high. That's a good price. The price is reasonable. That's cheap. The price is very low. I'll take it. I want to buy it. No, thank you. I don't want to buy it.
Conversation 1. Buying a shirt.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
That's a little expensive. Is it on sale?
Yes, there's a 20% discount today.
Oh, great. So how much is it now?
It's $20 now.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Let's repeat that slowly.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25.
That's a little expensive. Is it on sale?
Yes, there's a 20% discount today.
Oh, great. So how much is it now?
It's $20 now.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Conversation 2. Comparing prices. How much is the blue shirt?
The blue shirt is $30.
And the red shirt?
The red shirt is $25.
So the red shirt is cheaper?
Yes, the red shirt is cheaper. It's on sale.
Great, I'll take the red shirt. Let's repeat that slowly. How much is the blue shirt?
The blue shirt is $30.
And the red shirt?
The red shirt is $25.
So the red shirt is cheaper?
Yes, the red shirt is cheaper. It's on sale.
Great, I'll take the red shirt. Conversation 3. Too expensive.
Excuse me, how much are these shoes?
They're $100.
Oh, that's too expensive for me.
We have these shoes. They're only $60.
That's better. Can I try them on?
Of course. Here you are.
They fit perfectly. I'll take them.
Did you notice the customer can say that's too expensive politely?
Yes, it's okay to say if something is too expensive.
The seller might offer something cheaper.
Always ask.
Let's practice. How blank is it? Asking price.
The answer is, how much is it?
It's very expensive. It blank $200. Verb.
The answer is, it costs $200.
This shirt is on blank. It's cheaper than normal. What?
The answer is, on sale.
Now practice asking. Repeat after S.
How much is this shirt?
How much is this shirt?
What's the price?
What's the price?
How much are these shoes?
How much are these shoes?
Good.
Now let's practice shopping. I'm the customer. Levent is the seller. Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $80.
That's expensive. Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off, so it's $64 now.
Great, I'll take it.
Now you practice at home. Imagine you're shopping.
Point to something in your room and ask, how much is this?
Answer, it's blank dollars.
Excellent.
Quick quiz. What's the opposite of expensive?
The answer is cheap. What do you say when you want to buy something?
The answer is, I'll take it.
Excellent work today.
You learned so much about shopping.
You learned these words: price, cost, expensive, cheap, buy, sell, on sale, discount.
And you learned to ask, how much is it? How much does it cost? What's the price?
And useful expressions: that's too expensive. That's cheap. I'll take it. It's on sale.
Now you can go shopping in English-speaking countries.
Practice with your friends. Ask prices of different things.
Congratulations, you finished all 10 episodes.
We're so proud of you.
You learned so much. Episode 1, Greetings. Episode 2, Numbers. Episode 3, Time. Episode 4, Daily Routine. Episode 5, Food. Episode 6, Restaurant. Episode 7, Directions. Episode 8, Family. Episode 9, Jobs. Episode 10, Shopping.
That's amazing progress.
Keep practicing every day.
Watch these episodes again.
And stay tuned, we have more episodes coming soon.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below, tell us, what do you want to buy? Say, I want to buy.
Thank you for learning with us.
We love teaching you.
See you in the next series.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Good luck with your English.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.